Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Redmi Note 9 device, which is a 4GB and 128GB variant. And before starting the video, and also do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, because in the future I'll be doing plenty of comparison reviews with the Redmi Note 9 Pro as well. So which is already launched in India, and I have reviewed plenty of videos on the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and this is my unboxing video of the Redmi Note 9. And even recently I bought the Mi Note 10 Lite as well, so which is very good mobile, and even I'll be doing plenty of reviews as well. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and also following in my Telegram group and Instagram page, so where I'll be posting the camera samples of each mobile phone, so you can get clear idea about the camera samples of all the mobile phones. And let's get started with the unboxing of the Redmi Note 9. And definitely friends, subscribe to my channel and also do support me by subscribing and sharing my videos with your friends, so if they are very useful, and this will be very helping me a lot in terms of motivating me and making plenty of videos in the future. And all these phones which I am buying with my own money, from my pocket money, so that's why I just need some kind of support from everyone just by subscribing to my channel. So that will be very helpful for me. So let me try to open the box and let's see what are the contents we do get in the phone. And definitely friends, I'll be doing plenty of display comparison, Antutu benchmark, multitasking, and lot more videos to be coming in the future. The reason why I said Antutu benchmark, because the phone comes with the Helio G85 processor. This is the first time I am using this G85 processor, so that's why I'm very much curious to test the Antutu benchmark and performance when you compare with the Redmi Note 9 Pro's performance. So as you can see, this is a color which I have ordered, white color. So this is the first time I ordered the white color. I think previous was Redmi Note 8 Pro. I think this is the second mobile. And let me open the box contents. What you get, SIM card pin, and you do get the clear white color transparent case, not the black color. So this is a white color case. So let me try to open. As you can see, and it is a box, and let me keep the box aside and let me show you the charger as well, how much watt charger in the Redmi Note 9. I know the phone doesn't support the fast charging, but let me show you. So here is a charger adapter details, so you can see here clearly. So 22.5 volts is the maximum, it clearly mentioned. So I'll be doing the charging test as well, so in the future, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So this is the overall box contents we do get with the phone with the Redmi Note 9, and definitely I'll be doing plenty of comparison videos with other smartphones. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share my videos with your friends if you are liking my videos. So see you in the next video. As you can see, 18 watts fast charger. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.